Hello everyone and welcome to another video on STEM Spotlight. I'm your host Arnav, and in today's video we are going to be exploring the fascinating world of mathematics. Today we're going to be diving into one of the most important and intriguing numbers in math, Euler's number, also known as E. Now you might be wondering what makes E so special. Well, stick around and you'll see why this number pops up everywhere, from calculus to finance, and even in nature. Let's start with the basics. Euler's number, denoted as E, is approximately equal to 2.71828 and so on and so forth. And it's an irrational number, which means it can't be expressed as a simple fraction, and its decimal expansion goes on forever without repeating. But what makes E truly remarkable is its unique mathematical properties. The story of E begins with compound interest. Imagine you have $1 and it's invested at 100% interest rate per year. If the interest is compounded once at the end of the year, you'll end up with $2. But what if the interest is compounded more frequently? Like say every 6 months, every month, or even every second? The more frequently you compound, the closer you get to the particular value, and that value is E. So E can be defined as the limit of 1 plus 1 over n, the full thing in parentheses, to the power of n, as n approaches infinity. This concept is at the heart of exponential growth, which we see all around us, in population growth, radioactive decay, and even the spread of diseases. Now, let's talk about why E is the superstar of calculus. The function e to the power x has a unique property. Its derivative is the same as the function itself. That means if you plot y equals e to the power x on a graph, the slope of the tangent line at any point is exactly the y value at that point. This self-replicating nature makes E incredibly powerful in differential equations and mathematical modeling. Euler's number also appears in the natural logarithm, denoted as ln(x), which is the inverse of the exponential function. The natural logarithm is crucial in various fields, from calculating decay rates in physics to analyzing growth trends in economics. Whether you're studying how bacteria multiply or how money grows in a bank account, E is the key to understanding these processes. Before we end off here, let's talk about some fun facts about E. E was first discovered by Jacob Bernoulli while studying compound interest in the late 1600s. But why wasn't it named after him? Well, it was named after the Swiss mathematician Leonhard Euler, who popularized its use. The number E is also linked to the Fibonacci sequence, prime numbers, and even chaos theory. If you want to see more about chaos theory, make sure to comment down below. And also let us know if you enjoyed this video while you're at it. So, the next time you see the number E, remember, it's not just another number. It's a fundamental constant that helps us understand the world around us. Whether you're into math, science, or finance, Euler's number is a tool that you'll encounter again and again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting explorations into the world of mathematics. And don't forget to hit the bell icon while you're at it so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Arnav, and signing off.